Hey guys, welcome to Redneck Automotive Technology. Now, my seat, the spring actually broke, right? It's right there it broke. It came off and this little piece came out. Well, when I got back in my car when it happened, I felt like I was sitting in a freaking hole, okay? So, as you can see, what I did is I cut me a board. Now that is a 1x4, I think you call it, or 1x6, I'm sorry. I think it's 1x4 or 1x6. So what I did is I cut it to fit under this bracket right here and this bracket right here. Okay, you see that? Now this is a car seat, as you can see, it's a car seat. Let me back up here. A little bit grainy, guys, a little bit grainy, but that's okay. So what I did is I cut it to fit right here under this bracket and under this bracket. But I had a problem. It was moving back and forth. So what I did is I drilled me a hole here. Now there's a screw going through, and I drilled me a hole here with a screw going through. And as you can see, it ain't moving nowhere, bros. It ain't moving a damn place. And that, my friends, and I tell you what, when I sit on it, there's no give. There's no give. It's basically you're sitting on the phone now, right? And that's just something simple, guys. Just something simple. I took a 1x6. I think it's a 1x6. But could be a 1, I don't know. But anyway, it's a flat piece of board. And I tell you what, that board ain't going to give, ever. This car seat will outlast the car. The car's a 93. So anyway, guys, this is a little bit of redneck automotive technology at its best. Hey, I got to put it back in the car. Talk to you guys later. This is the Daily Drive. I'm out.